Hi everyone, it's Lisa from LSB Creates. And before we begin, I just want to say a big thank you to Bellish for sponsoring this video. Everything that you guys will hear in this video, it is my own opinion and my girls, their opinion. So I just wanted to get my girls in here so they can talk about how they feel about the app. Me and the girls, we are going to design a top. And this top will be for Bella's birthday, but I wanted to design a summer top, and I thought it would be really, really good to just go ahead on the app, Bellish, and let them do all the work for me. I don't have to do anything but knit. They figure out how many stitches I need. They just figure out everything. LSB, listen it with me. You can make projects for your whole family. It's the LSB, knit with me. Projects for your whole family. It is officially summertime. Yay! Yay! So what we're going to do is we're going to design a top in the Bellish app. So I can knit you guys a summer top. What you guys think about that?
That's great. Yeah.
Great?
Good.
Great? Exciting?
Yeah.
Are you guys going to design it for me?
Yes.
Okay, we could go through the app together and design. So let's get designing. Okay, so we're about to open the Bellish app. Bella, go ahead, open the Bellish app. It's right here. All right. Yay. Ooh, look at those cute things right there. Okay, so we want to start a new design. Go ahead, Naya. You can touch it. We can all work together. So what we want to do is pick children. Children. Then we want to do... Go ahead, touch it. Let's work together. All right, so we go to the next step, right? What's our next step? Our next step is to figure, we want it long? Yeah, I think so. Sleeves. Let's go to sleeves. What do we want for sleeves?
Short one. Sleeveless.
Sleeveless. Come on, talk like you guys know what you're doing.
Sleeveless.
You guys are designing, not mommy doing it. All right, and then we go to the neck. So we're going to pick how we want our neck to look.
Let's do scoop neck.
Scoop neck? Okay, thanks. Cool. Bella,
Oh.
Thank you, Bella. Scoop neck? Great. I already decided scoop neck. Already decided scoop neck, Bella. Okay. Now we get to pick what the bottom of the body is going to be. Lower body.
This one. It's too small.
That color work?
It's too small.
Okay, we're going to do some color work then. Color block 2? All right, let's see what Ari's saying too.
I think chunky stripe.
Chunky stripe? Let's see. And there's another color stripe, right? I think it's another one.
Ooh, that one's
that one
pretty.
too? You like that one?
I like that one.
Okay, so that's uneven stripes. All right, cool. Let's go pick our yarn. I'll let you guys know now that you really don't get to pick your yarn because I kind of already have the yarn already. You get to pick what color you want and all that stuff. Okay, so all I'm saying is worsted weight. That's the weight yarn I want to knit. Okay, so I could be done a little faster. No, not that one. Oh, yeah, that's it. Worsted weight. So let's pick worsted weight. All right, go to the next thing. And your size? We're going to do one to fit Bella first. How does that sound? Because it's your birthday coming up, so you get to wear the first one. So her size, we measured her at a 20. Do we remember what we measured? I don't know. No. All right, but she's going to be 7. So, all right, 6 to 8. But I kind of want it to fit her a little more fitted. So let's choose the 4 to 6 and see what.
More tighter?
Yeah, but it's still probably not going to be that tight. Let's see what it's going to give us. Man, it's really small for real. Okay, let's do it this way. Ooh,
yeah, that's perfect.
So it's saying around it'll be 30 inches around still. So that's good. That's good. So let's pick colors, Bella, colors. Oh my goodness, Bella. We're all gonna help, right?
Yes.
So,
I need
but Anaya can't see.
I need to pick my color.
Girlfriend. Okay. Pink.
Touchy time.
Touch. Pick a color.
Just go down.
That's it. Okay, you said pink, Naya?
Yeah.
All right, let's start with pink. So that's cool. No. We're starting with pink. So you want to change to the next color of your stripe? You hit that button right there. Okay, Bella, you can pick the next color. And then Ari get to pick the next color. Okay. Ari? Ooh.
Oh, that looks good.
Really? Okay. All right. So now
We have to do
we have to generate our pattern. So so here we have it. They're telling us what we need and how to do it. We go to details. It tells us our gauge, which, that's what I'm going to be taking care of.
That's so much.
And then it tells us how much we need
Those colors?
and our needles. So that's good. All right.
We have all those type of colors.
Yeah, we should have those colors. So
It's right
we'll go
there,
and
there,
check
there.
our stash. We'll go and check our stash and see what we got, Miss Speed Along. You want to hurry up and finish the video already? Okay, so we're good.
Okay, so it's time to pick our colors because I've already picked the yarn that I'm going to use. So colors. Remember, Naya, what was your color? Oh, she don't remember the colors. Who remember the colors we chose on the app? What do we have? Look,
We got blue and we got pink.
Pink.
And this color.
Oh, that's the other color you think? Okay, so let's. Okay, so we just don't we don't like these colors.
We don't need them.
We don't need these. Oh my goodness.
We
Oh.
need yellow.
All right.
We need yellow and blue. No.
Okay, well, since the first one is going to be Bella's top, but we have to learn to compromise, Bella B.
Everybody likes their We can't pick both of your colors.
Did she just say who's Bella B? Lord help us. I guess
We
that's
have
not
to
your
do
name today.
My favorite color, Ari's favorite color, and Bella's favorite color.
Are those going to look good together?
Yeah.
So we're changing the colors that we had chosen in the app.
Yes. Yeah. It's
Okay.
not gonna be different.
So this is your favorite color, Belle? So we got the pink. Ari's favorite color?
My favorite color.
And then give it to me. I'm keeping the ones we're going to keep.
My favorite color.
And so this is it. Let's get these things away. That's it. So this, listen, this is what we're using, right?
Yes.
This is it.
Yes.
Bella, Ari, and Anaya.
Yes.
All right. That's it. We've made our decision and we're not going back.
No.
No going back, Bella.
No, sorry.
No. All right. That's it. Now it's time for me to go and knit
Bye, Mommy.
all day
Okay.
and night.
Okay.
I'll have this top done soon. Okay, Belle? You gonna wear it on your beater?
Yes, but you have to make it fast.
How about you make it? You make it. Can you make it?
You make it.
You make it.
You have to make it.
You make it.
No, you have to make it.
You have to make
You have
it.
to make it.
You have to make
You
it.
have to make it.
You have to make
You
it.
have to
Why
make
I gotta
it.
make it?
Because you.
No,
I'm a
you.
knitting
Come on, you
master.
can knit.
You are the knit master. So
You're the knitting master, mini
No, it's Junior.
junior.
No, you're the knit master. So you have to
You're
do
the knit
it.
master,
No,
master.
I'm not.
All right, we'll let 90 knit it.
No.
Yes.
Yes. We'll let Ari knit it. Wow, that is a hard
pass.
We're like, no. We'll make Grandma knit it.
That's a hard pass. I'll knit it.
Grandma
Okay,
can do
I'll knit it. I got it. We're good. So, girls, what did you think about the app?
I like that you get to make your own, like design your own thing.
Okay.
I like what you can pick your own color.
Oh, good. You can pick the color of your design. That's pretty good. Yes, I think I like that too. Anaya, what's something that you like about it?
I like that it gives you the instructions.
Yeah, I love that part too. So right there, it's doing everything for us. So what I did, I measured Bella because I'm hoping to make a top for all three of the girls, a summer top. But I measured Bella, and that's the first top that I'm going to make.